Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Vertex Manoj Roy. Today we are doing enlargement case 2. In case 2 we are doing that how we can describe the transformation in enlargement. Normally we have already done in reflection, rotation, translation that whenever object and image both are given, we have to describe the transformation by using some steps. So in enlargement, normally we have the question like about 2 marks question because we need two things to describe. So first of all, we should know that object and image both will be given, and to describe this transformation, what we need to find the center of enlargement. Center of enlargement. So how we can find the center of enlargement, I will explain with an example. So second thing, what we need to find the scale factor. Scale factor, we are having two formulas to find the scale factor. We can use any one of them. So that's we are doing today. So let's start with one example, and that's how we can find the center of enlargement. But before starting one example, I would like to say, just see, when object and image will be given, we have to find the center. And how we can find the center? To find the center, like what we need to find the center, we need to join the corresponding points in such a way that all lines must merge at a single point. At a single point. Like all the points, when we join all the corresponding points with a line, all lines should merge, converge at a particular point that I'm going to discuss with you. Now start with an example. The object ABC and image both are given here. Like in the question you can see triangle ABC mapped into triangle PQR. Describe the transformation. We have to decide which transformation is this. As the size is changing, so it cannot be isometric transformation. It is non-isometric transformation, and we have just only one non-isometric, that is enlargement. So we don't need to think about this. Do we have shear or stretch? Because shear and stretch are no longer in our syllabus. So this is enlargement. Enlargement was the method to find the center of enlargement. We need to join all the corresponding points A, B, C, P, Q, R. A with P. So please do not do like this. That's A with Q. No. A with P, B with here. A with P, B with Q, and C with R. So now we are joining. Okay. So let's see what's happening now. A with P, I have joined. So what you can do, you can little bit extend it. First of all, I want to extend it. Okay, I'm not extending here down, but just okay, there is no problem, just we can expand that first of all. Second, I want to join this B with Q. Okay, then with C with R. So as I told you that we have to, what we are doing here, we have to join all the corresponding points, and the corresponding point should merge at a particular point. What do you think about these three lines? These three lines, when I extend here, will they coincide? Will they merge here at this point? No, these lines will not merge here. But when I look backward here, yes, these three lines can merge here. So what I have to do? I have to do one thing, that these two, like this line from R, I want to extend in such a way here, like this here. Okay, and I can also extend this line here. I can extend this line. Sorry. So we can extend this line, and we can also extend this line. Using technology is not easy. So I want to extend this line also. This here. When I extended all these lines, all lines are merging at a particular point, and that is called the center. That is called the center. So this is the center of the enlargement. This is center, and the center enlargement is here 1, 2. So it means we have to join all the corresponding points, and we have to check that all the corresponding points are merging at what point, right side, left side, or sometime in the middle. It is possible. Okay, So now next point is what? We need to find the scale factor. Then how we can find the scale factor? See this. So you have seen that adding all the corresponding points with a line, we are having a single point, that is a center, and just we have already discussed with you. Now how we can find the scale factor? To find the scale factor, what we need? We have to use one of this formula. The formula is what? The size of the image divided by size of the object. It can be like this, like a dash b dash divided by ab. What is a dash b dash? That's the distance between two corresponding points, like 2 points, like height of the image or the biggest side of the image. That's we have to use here, a dash b dash divided by ab. When we have like triangle ABCD PQR, so AB is object distance and PQ is the image corresponding distance, AB and PQ. So I will discuss when I like in the example. Second formula, EA dash upon EA. What do you mean by E? E is the center of enlargement. A dash is the image. Center to the image divided by center to the object, that also give you like scale factor. So we are having like 3 categories I have written here, like EA dash upon EA, EB dash upon EB, or EC dash upon EC. So now we are using this. So you have seen here that we have to use this formula, any one of the formula. So here like center is done. Okay, this is center, the 1 and 2. Now this formula, I think so, this formula is easy to use here because from the center we cannot find the distance in diagonally or in like incline. So what we are using this formula, the K scale factor is A dash B dash. What's the image? PQ divided by what is the corresponding like distance of PQ. The corresponding size of PQ is like here, PQ is AB. So I will write AB. So this is the way. Even you can write what? PQ, you can write RQ, but I cannot find the distance RQ in the grid. We can find by using distance formula of Pythagoras theorem, but it's easy. So now even you can take the height. The height of the triangle is also possible, but I think so PQ divided by AB is enough. PQ distance is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here is what? 1, 2. This is 2. The answer is coming 3. So now what we have got, that's the center of the enlargement is 1, 2 and the scale factor is 3. Now we have to decide, do we have the plus 3 or minus 3? Remember in my last video I have explained that when the center, like here, the object, and if the image is coming backside like here, when image is backside is always negative scale factor, but here like image is coming like the same side here, image is coming here, like see, center, object and image, you can see. So in this condition, when the image is like right side where the object is right hand side and the image is also in right hand side, so K is always positive. When the image is coming back side of the center is always negative. So that's we are learning here. So this is what? Positive. So what we can do, this triangle, this is very important statement to write in the exam, this triangle ABC mapped onto triangle. We have to write this triangle PQR by enlargement. So this is like enlargement, we have marks here, enlargement with center 1, 2 and scale factor plus 3. So that's very important. This we have done one example. So in example number 2, what we are doing, like triangle ABC mapped onto triangle PQR, describe the transformation, was the first step in enlargements. We have to join the corresponding points. Okay, we are joining the corresponding point A with B and B with Q and C with R. Like when we join these 3 points, we have to extend sometimes when, and it's not extendable, just it means as all 3 points are intersecting at a particular point. That is called the center. Okay, I told you that the center can be in between object and image. That's coming 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3 is the center of enlargement we have done. Okay, now to find the scale factor we have to use one of the formula. I think so this formula is better to use because in this both the object, this is object and this is image, I cannot find any of the distance by using the grid, but I can use the Pythagoras theorem or like I can use the distance formula but normally. But I think so this formula is easy to find here because from center to the image is given here. So what's the scale factor? From the center to the P, Kp divided by Ka, because center to image, object and center to image, we need image divided by object. So now what's the distance from center to the image? 1, 2, 3, 4. Like 4, or you can write -4, but I'm writing 4 first of all, just see. And this is what? 1, 2. So sometimes it's also good, like we can have the direct answer negative, it's coming 2. But I told you in the case that when object, here I told you, when center is given, object is here, and image is coming the back side. I told you the image is coming at the back side, so K is always negative. K is always negative. So I am writing here minus. Otherwise, when you use the distance of the image and distance of the object, that will not give negative here. It's possible, but I think so it's very simple. Just you can see when the center is between object and image is always negative. So now, what we have to write? The triangle ABC mapped onto triangle PQR. Triangle PQR by enlargement with center is 2, 3 and scale factor -2, and that's it. You have to describe. This was example number 2. Let's move to the next example, example number 3. So in example number 3, that's triangle ABC mapped onto triangle PQR. Okay, object is this, image is small. Image small means your scale factor can be in fraction. Okay, let's move. The method to find the center is what? We need to join the corresponding point A with B, A with B, and B with Q, B with Q, B with Q, and C with R. So like we are joining now. After joining this, we are having a point here. This is center. Okay, the center is coming 1, 0. So 1, 0 is your center. Like center we have got it, and center is between what? Object and image, means K is always negative. Please remember, when the center is between object and image, the center will be always negative. Sorry, the scale factor will be always negative. Now, scale factor formula, which formula is suitable here? I think so. Can you find the distance from here to like center to, like I cannot use this formula because this is not easy. All are in inclined. There's no vertical or horizontal. But the image distance divided by object distance. But image and object should be corresponding like sides. So image I can use. This is image. I can use PR, and this is I can use AC. Even you can see from here, like AC and PR are the corresponding sides, so we can use. So the PR is, you can use PR is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and AC is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now this is coming 1/2. So now what I will write? I will write negative here. Why? Because the center, like here, I told you the center is here, object is here, and the image is coming here. So when the center is in the middle, so object and image, so it's always K scale factor negative. That's very important thing. And this we can write. Now what you can write? The triangle ABC mapped onto triangle PQR by enlargement with center 1, 0 and scale factor -1/2, and that's we have done. So now we have done that how we can describe the transformation in enlargement by finding the scale factor and the center. When you think this video is useful for you, please like my video, subscribe my channel, and please do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can receive my new videos. Thank you so much and have a nice day.